Hello again everybody, and today we are playing with a new... Shall I lift, if I lift up high for him, then you can see, look, it's got catnip, look. There, see?
Yeah, drag it.
Drag it. Drag it. Go ba-doop 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 doop 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 doop. You okay? Well, let Crichton have a little play. Hello. Do you want to play it? This is a new one, new toy, isn't it? And it's blue. Well, it's a bluey green colour, like a turquoisey colour, isn't it? Hello.
You're not holding it.
No. Hello. Boop-a-doop. And look. Pussycat. He says, what's that? Oh, look. That's great, isn't it? Hello, sweetie. Wow, whoopsie. Probably won't. You've got to be careful you don't get your hands in the way, because when he plays he might catch you accidentally. Yeah. Wow, done. See, with his little claws get caught on there. So that was great, wasn't it? Well, and we hope you have... Wow, look. Look, we're having fun, aren't we? This is a new toy, and we've got another toy to come as well, haven't we? Another toy for the cats as well, so that's another surprise one. This one looks like a turquoise coloured fluffy snake with a little ball at the end. And it does a little rattle, doesn't it? It's good. Where the oh, look, there's the other pussycat. There's the other pussycat over there. Hello. Hello, you. How are you? And Tabby one not here at the moment, so yeah. This is fun for pussycats. Can we hear the birds sing? A little bit of bird song. Not much. There's a lot more the other day. Wow. Hello. There you go. This is, well, sort of interesting. I think you'll like the other surprise one we've got even better. Quite colourful, isn't it? Be a surprise. You won't be able to guess what it is. Well, it's a similar sort of thing, but it's a special shape and everything. And I don't think you'll guess what it is. We'll find out sometime soon, won't we? You're going to jump down? Are you okay, Crichton? That's it. Brilliant. Off he goes. So thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye. Bye-bye.